In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Make.com with Notion. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or simply connect these two powerful tools to enhance productivity, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by diving into Make.com. First things first, you're going to want to create a scenario in Make.com. If this is your first time using Make.com, don't worry. Think of a scenario as a set of interconnected actions between different apps designed to automate tasks. Creating one is straightforward. Head to the dashboard and locate an option, usually titled something like Create a Scenario. By doing so, you initiate the setup for automation, and this is where the magic happens. Once you have your scenario ready, the next step is to add a Notion module. Now, depending on what you want to achieve with this integration, you may choose something like Create a Database Item. This module will allow you to specify how you want your data to be managed within Notion. As you add the module, think about the elements you're looking to automate or the data you want to transfer between Make.com and Notion. Having a clear idea of this will make the process smoother. Moving forward, you need to create a connection between Make.com and Notion. Once you've added your Notion module, look for an option to create a connection within that module. You'll be prompted to select Notion Internal from a list. Selecting this ensures that you are connecting directly with your Notion account, ready to sync and automate seamlessly. At this point, you'll need to give your connection a name. Choose something descriptive so that you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple scenarios or connections in the future. Something like My Notion Connection or Project Data Automation could work well. Naming conventions might seem trivial, but clarity here ensures you always know which connection does what at a glance. Next, it's time to paste in the token from Notion. This token is essentially a string of characters that allows Make.com to access and manipulate your data in Notion. Without this, the connection cannot be authenticated. Make sure you have the correct token copied to your clipboard. Sometimes this is found in your Notion's integration settings. Paste it carefully into the provided field, ensuring no extra spaces that could inadvertently cause an error. Finally, don't forget to save your connection settings. This action completes the blend of these two platforms. Once everything has been saved, you're ready to put this integration into action. With your scenario crafted and your connection established, you can now start automating tasks between Make.com and Notion, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Make.com with Notion, opening up a world of automation potential. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you navigate through integrating these powerful tools. Enjoy the seamless operations and newfound productivity as you venture into advanced automation. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.